As part of the programming on linked list, we have done with single linked list and double linked list in our previous videos. We have seen the programs with execution also, and now we'll go for circular linked list, how it can be.
Hello everyone, this is Shravan Kumar Manthri. Welcome to our channel CSE Gurus.
Of course, the circular linked list we can write it in two ways. The first one is circular single linked list, of course circular double linked list. But what is actually circular linked list compared with single and double? How it is different means it's very simple. Like the last node is connected to the first node. That's it. That is what simply we call it as, making it a cycle. We call it as a circular linked list. For example, here you can see 8, 9, 5. So I need to connect this two here with the first node. This is the first node, this is the second node, this is the third node. Third node should be connected to the first node. How technically we can connect? So let us suppose this address is 1000. This is something like 2000. This is something like 3000. Now, of course, head node which is 1000, fine. But here you can see the next of the last node. If it anyway it's a tail node, we call it as this is a head node. This is a tail node or last node. For that, what is the next means? In general, in single linked list, we can say null. Why? Because so the next node won't be there for the last node. That's why the address is null. But now instead of keeping null, you want to address with you want to store this node address with the first node, so that it will become cycle. So what is the address of the first node? 1000. So here it should be 1000. Then I can say what is the next node of 8? So which is here 2000, right? So which is node 9. So for 9, what is the next node? Here 3000. So what is the next node means 1000? Yes, 8. This is what simple, like a straight thread is connected like this. Two ends are connected, so that it will become a cycle or circular. So that is what circular single linked list. Of course, you can represent in circular double linked list also. There is a first node, second node, third node, fourth node. Now here you can see the thing is, so here also same thing, connect with the last node to the first node. How technically you can make it? See, next node of this anyway you have to go with the first node address. What is the first node address? 100. You can write this. Not only this, double linked list, what is the previous of the first node? Null. Why? Because there is no previous node. Now there is a node now in circular, that is it's a cycle. What is the previous node means? Definitely it's a last node, which is here you can write it as 400. So this is what you can connect. Now you can see for 10, what is the previous next node? 200, which is this address. For 200, what is this? 300. This one for 300, 400. For 400, 100 means it's a cycle. You are going. So if you go previous for 10, what is the previous? 400. So this is also we call it as a cycle we are making. This is a circular linked list. We can make it. And anyway, if you consider the integer values in the language constraints, what is the largest value that integer can take means 2 power 31 minus 1. What is the smallest value means minus 2 power 31. If you take it as a signed integer. So after minus 2 power 31, if I still decrease, will it go minus 2 power 31 minus 1? No. It will take the plus 2 power 32 minus 1. That means it's a cycle. Like this it will goes like this, it's 0 and minus 1 like this up to this, and if you make it one more minus, that means it's 2 power 32 minus 1. So like this it goes. And for 2 power 31 minus 1, if you add one more, will it be 2 power 32 31? No, it's 2 power minus 2 power 31. So that is what a cycle. Okay, like this it is there in integer constraint. Similarly here also we are making the nodes which are in circular. Like this you can see here you are making the nodes in a circular. Of course, here you can see in the linked list, which is a last node in a single linked list is connected with the first node, so that it forms a cycle. Same thing. And the circular double linked list, previous first field, this one is of the node is linked with the last field of the node. What is that? 400. And not only that, this one also. So the last node anyway you are making, right? So that is explained anyway. This is 100. So this is what will happen in general circular linked list.